Hello students, today we are going to enhance our vocabulary related to name of the country, the nationality of the citizens of that country, what is it called, language spoken there, and the currency used. We'll also be looking at the map of that country. So let's get started. We are going to go ahead alphabetically, and so the first is America. America is a continent, and people who reside in America as citizens are called Americans. The language spoken is American English, and the currency is dollar, more popularly known as US dollar. Africa is also a continent. Citizens of Africa are called Africans. Languages majorly spoken in Africa are Swahili, Yoruba, Igbo, and Fula. Currency which is majorly used is franc, rand, and naira. Australia. Citizens of Australia are Australians. Language is English and currency is Australian dollar. People who live in Afghanistan are called Afghans. They speak Pashto and Persian, and the currency is Afghani. Azerbaijan. Citizens of Azerbaijan are called Azerbaijani. The language is same as what the citizens are called, and the currency is Mannat. Bangladesh. Bangladesh citizens are called Bangladeshi. They speak Bengali and the currency is Taka. Bhutan. People residing in Bhutan are called Bhutanese. They speak Dzongkha language. Over here, D is silent. And the currency that they use is Gultram. Over here, N is silent. Burma. Citizens of Burma are called Burmese. They speak Burmese language and the currency is Kyat. Canada. Citizens of Canada are Canadian. The language which they majorly speak are French and English, and the currency that they use is Canadian dollar. China. Citizens of China are called Chinese. They speak Mandarin, which is considered the most difficult language in the world, and the currency of China is yuan. Egypt is an African country, and people living in Egypt are called Egyptians. They speak Arabic language, and the currency that they use is Egyptian pound. Europe is again a continent, and all those people who reside in different countries in Europe are called Europeans. So, European citizenship, and language is multiple. So, for example, some people might speak Spanish, some might speak French, and others might speak German, but English is also one majorly spoken language. Euro is the currency used. France, French. So people who live in France are called French. Their language is also French, and the currency that they use is euro and franc. Finland, Finnish. So the person who lives in Finland is called a Finnish. Language is also Finnish, same as the citizenship, and currency is euro. Germany. People who reside in Germany are Germans. They speak the German language and they use euro as their currency. Netherlands, also known as Holland. People who are citizens of Netherlands are called Dutch. Language Dutch and currency is euro. India. Citizens of India are called Indians. Their major language is Hindi. They also speak English. Their currency is the Indian rupee. Indonesia. Citizens of Indonesia called Indonesian. Language is Bahasa and their currency is rupiah. Iceland. Those people who reside in Iceland are either known as Norse, Icelanders, or Scandinavian. They speak the Icelandic language and their currency is krona. Iraq. Citizen of Iraq is called Iraqi. They speak the Kurdish language and their currency is dinar. Israel. An Israeli is a citizen of Israel. They speak Hebrew language and their currency is shekel. Italy. Citizen of Italy is called an Italian. Italian is their language and they use the euro as their currency. Japan. A citizen of Japan is called Japanese and their language is also Japanese, whereas their currency is yen. Korea. A person who resides in Korea is called a Korean. There is North Korea and South Korea. As you can see the map along with their flags, and the language spoken is Korean. The currency is won. Malaysia. A person who resides in Malaysia is called a Malaysian. They speak the Malay language and their currency is ringgit. Nepal. Citizen of Nepal is called Nepalese. They speak the Nepali language and their currency is Nepali rupee. New Zealand. People who are citizens of New Zealand are called Kiwis. They speak English and their currency is New Zealand dollar. Norway. Citizens of Norway are called Norwegian. The language they speak are Norwegian and Sami. Their currency is krone. Pakistan. A person who is a citizen of Pakistan is called a Pakistani. They speak the languages like Pashto, Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi and Hindi. Pakistan currency is Pakistani rupee. Poland. A person who resides in Poland is called a Pole. Language is Polish and their currency is Zloty. Z is silent. Russia. A person who is a citizen of Russia is a Russian. They speak the Russian language and their currency is ruble. Singapore. Citizen of Singapore is a Singaporean. Languages spoken in Singapore are English, Chinese and Malay. Currency is the Singapore dollar. Sri Lanka. A person who is a citizen of Sri Lanka is a Sri Lankan. Languages spoken are Sinhala and Tamil and their currency is Sri Lankan rupee. Sweden. So citizen of Sweden is called Swedish. Language spoken is Swedish and currency is krona. Switzerland is a European country and the person who resides in Switzerland is called a Swiss. Languages spoken here are German, Franc and Italian and currency is franc. Taiwan. Taiwanese is the name of the citizenship. Languages are Hokkien and Mandarin and the currency is the new Taiwan dollar. Thailand. A person who is a citizen of Thailand is called a Thai. Language has the same name Thai and currency is baht. Turkey. Citizen of Turkey is called a Turk. Language is Turkish and currency is lire. Vietnam. A person who lives in Vietnam is a Vietnamese. Language is Vietnamese as well and the currency is dong. United Arab Emirates. The person who is a citizen of UAE is called an Arabic. Language is Arabic as well and the currency is dirham. United Kingdom. The citizen of United Kingdom is a British or a Britisher and they speak English and their currency is pound sterling. So my dear students, I hope you enjoyed this vocabulary enhancement video. Please write to me in the comment section if you have any questions or comments. I will be happy to answer them. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to it for more such videos and follow my Instagram page with the name Best IELTS and English Academy. Thank you very much.